You start with energy. You set a goal. You feel unstoppable. But just a few days later, you lose motivation again. Why does this happen? You didn't lose motivation. Your brain just got bored. Because motivation isn't meant to last. It's an emotional spike, not a system. And your brain hates uncertainty, effort, and long-term reward. You chase results, not rhythm. But results take time, and your brain craves instant proof. When it doesn't get that, it shuts down. You stop because progress feels invisible. Stop relying on motivation. Build momentum. Tiny wins, daily proof, small actions that are too easy to fail. Train your brain to crave showing up, not finishing big. You're not broken. You're just addicted to dopamine spikes. Replace them with discipline, and motivation will come back. But this time, it won't leave you.